cook this steak for 3 minutes each side because I don't want it will overcook or well done. I just want a medium rare steak. We will cook that 3 minutes each side. 3 minutes done, so we need to flip up on the other side. Oh, so crispy looking. So my steak is done, and we will taste it how it goes. Wow, look at that. It looks so juicy. For more info, comment down below, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you so much, and see you soon!